Hi all, I'm Joel Christy Raphael and I'm here to talk about my internship experience at 3G Institute of Research and Policy Studies from IIT Madras Research Park. It is a 30-day internship program that I will be working for, and it's just been 2 days since I started interning here, and the experience that I've got is huge. My expectation for this internship is very simple: to increase my knowledge and enhance my skills in networking and marketing, and what I've expected was right. We had an amazing session by Dr. Sai Cholail on the topic of artificial intelligence. Through this session, I learned an important word, which is behavioral data, which is going to rule the world in the future. Yes, what I said was right. So what is behavioral data? It is the data that is taken from our phones by the way we text, search, buy things online, and also interact with the people. So this data that we're talking about is very much valuable to the big tech companies. Their focus is on our behavioral data, where they can use it to sell their ads and make us addictive consumers. So there has been a controversy about the banning of 59 apps including TikTok, so that our behavioral data is protected from China. Our important data is at stake because of these apps. If we start talking about problems, there won't be an end. So as a youth, what we can do is to know more about the AI, the artificial intelligence, can do to our lives if we try to know it and use it as a powerful tool in our day-to-day futuristic work. Due to this pandemic, our world has turned upside down. A lot of them lost their jobs, and we are all staying at home trying to figure out how we can earn a good income. So for the next 2 sessions, it was about maintaining a proper social media account, which was about LinkedIn by Mr. Aditya, the LinkedIn expert, who taught us how to maintain a profile really well so that business sparks and we can earn a lot of money from it. Followed by the session, there was Mr. Haris Abubakar, the Instagram expert, who gave us a lot of tips to how to maintain a proper Instagram account. From DMing and engaging our followers to signing off a business proposal, and from A to Z, Mr. Abubakar taught us what and all we can do through Instagram. Moving on to the second day of my internship, we had a session by Irfana, who taught us about how to graphic design our photos and videos through Canva. This app makes the video and photo editing jobs much easier. Moving on to our final session, we had an amazing speaker, Ms. Suhana, who made us relax within just 15 minutes of meditation. Through this meditation, it cleared my mind and also filled my heart with positivity, which made it much easier to find out my passion and to design my goals for the next 12 months. Overall, I gained a lot of information from these 2 days, and I'm looking forward for more energetic and amazing sessions ahead. This is Joel Christy Raphael signing off.